Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my turkey, how I bake my turkey in the oven. So along with some meal preps, some other meal preps that I'm working on for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. This is a 10-pound bird, so I will give you the directions after I take it out of the refrigerator. My turkey that I'm gonna prepare for Thanksgiving, but I believe I'm gonna do it a couple days before time so that I can take pictures before the family get here on Thursday. So what I'm gonna do is remove the plastic off the bird and just put some salt and pepper on it and put it in an oven bag and place it back in the refrigerator. That way it may have a couple days to marinate with the salt. This is a 10-pound bird, so I will give you the directions after I take it out of the refrigerator. Okay, this is a dry rub that I'm going to add to the turkey. There is 9 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of pepper. So I'm going to rub this all over the chicken. At this time, I'm not going to add any butter until I get ready to place it in the oven. Then I add some butter. Okay, here's the oven bag that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and place the turkey in this oven bag. I mixed up my spices there, so it's ready to go in the turkey. This year, the turkey had this little rubber tab attached to the butt area, and I just removed it, and I removed all of the bags out of the turkey. So make sure you do the same thing before you put dry brine or wet brine, whatever you're going to use on your turkey. I didn't tell you that I added erythritol sugar to the turkey because we will be eating some of the turkey. And also I'm going to show you what I added to the bag. I have 3 stalks of celery in the bag here. And I have just about four carrots in the bag. And inside of the turkey, I stuffed it with 1 whole garlic clove and 1 whole onion is inside of the turkey there. Okay, just so you see. Now I will be baking this turkey according to the directions on the turkey. I always buy a Butterball Turkey, so I always use it. And see that little red thing on the turkey? It will pop out when the turkey is ready. Add the whole turkey to the bag. Now I'm going to tie it up and place it back in the refrigerator. This is how I wrap my celery up and place it back in the refrigerator after I have taken some out. It lasts at least for 3 months when you do it this way. This is one of my sweet potato recipes. I have quite a few, but I'm going to give you the information on this pie. I know you didn't see me make it from the beginning, but I'm cooking so much today. This is Tuesday. I forgot what day it is, but here's the recipe. Will be on my website, but here it is. I had 3 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 1½ sticks of butter, 3 eggs, 1½ cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of lemon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and half a stick of sea salt. So this is what's in this pie here. All right. This recipe makes 2 pies. One is still in the oven, so that one will be coming out soon. I just took my turkey out of the refrigerator. It's still in the bag. I just put some butter on the top. That's half a stick of butter. That's enough. So I'm gonna fold these wings behind the back and tie up the legs on this. Okay, I tied up the legs. You know, I have whole garlic in there and an onion inside of the turkey. I put salt and pepper on it yesterday, so it's been marinating for a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven according to the directions on the package here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven for 3 hours on 325. I'll let you see it. And making chocolate cake here. All right. This is a meal prep, so all of the recipes will not be on this video. I gave you a few, but not all of them will be on there. This video is mainly to show you how to cook a turkey. Okay, here is my beautiful turkey. I just took out of the oven. It was in the oven for 2.5 hours. It's a 10-pound bird. So I left it in there for 2.5 hours. So I waited until this little red thing popped out, and that's how long it took for that little red thing to pop out. But it's a beautiful turkey, and can't wait to have some on Thanksgiving Day. So thanks for watching. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.